Number 1. Shampoo your hair once a week. Your hair is healthiest when it isn't washed too often. Number 2. Use sulfate-free shampoo. A sulfate-free shampoo is a gentle alternative to traditional shampoo. Number 3. Apply a rising out conditioner with each shower. Conditioners are useful for more than just moisturizing your hair. Number 4. Moisturize your hair daily. For kinky hair to look its best, it needs to be moisturized. Number 5. Use a few drops of oil on your scalp. Black hair tends to be dry, and that extends to the scalp too. Number 6. Dry your hair with a microfiber towel or t-shirt. Limit friction when towel drying your hair to avoid breakage. Number 5. Style your hair with pomade or coral cream. Products made from black hair work better than gel. Number 8. Brush your hair with a white tooth comb. White tooth combs or afro fix are gentle when used on wet hair. Number 9. Protect your hair from friction while sleeping. A dark or silk pillowcase keeps your hair from breaking at night. Number 10. Use a protective style during colder weather. Protective styles keeps your hair healthy and even in bad weather conditions. Number 11. Avoid chemical hair treatment. Chemical treatment can easily damage natural hair. At last, number 12. Eat a balanced and nutritious diet. Nutrients like vitamin C and omega-3 lead to healthier and stronger hair. If you want to keep your hair stronger, follow these steps.